We are going to see about governor apparatus. So now this is called universal governor setup. So now this is in the setup of Hartnell governor. We can change the setup and we can convert this into a Proel governor or Porter governor or Watt governor. Now this is in Hartnell governor setup. So because the spring will be there, as we know that Hartnell governor is a spring loaded governor. We have this attachment over here, and this is like a bell crank lever. So we'll be having two arms. This is called the ball arm, this is sleeve arm attached to this place, and this is sleeve. Now the experimental procedure for all the governors are same. So let us explain one thing, and the same procedure will be followed either it is a Porter governor or Proel governor. What we are going to do is, in the same way, this is connected with a motor and a variable voltage regulator. So whenever if we increase the speed of this governor, what will happen? The height of the governor increased. So the radius will be increased, this sleeve will be lifted, and this will come down. Okay. So based on that, what we are going to do is, now this is measured. This is called measurement for sleeve lift. This scale reading shows the sleeve lift measurement. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to measure the speed of the governor at particular sleeve lift. So now experiment is very simple. So now just we are going to increase the speed. Slowly we will do the speed of the governor. So whenever it increases, so whenever it slowly rises, we can observe that the height of the sleeve increases. So we have to slowly raise the speed. And we have to stop at one particular height. It may be of any height. You can observe that the height slowly increased. So now you can see now this is at the height of 7 mm something. 5 is about 7 mm. So for 7 mm height, what is the speed? So we have to measure using the tachometer. There will be a reflector over here. We have to keep that in the reflector. So for example, this is about 207 RPM. So now for 7 mm height, the speed is 207. Likewise, we have to slightly increase the speed further. So now it goes up to 10 mm. Now the height increases to 15 mm. 10 mm, not 10 mm, 15 mm. Now we have to measure the speed. It's about some 253 RPM. Like that, for different heights, we have to measure the speed, and based on that, we have to calculate the controlling force or force, centrifugal force acting on the governor. So based on this calculation, we have to determine the force of the controlling force of the governor. So this is our governor experiments. After that, we have to plot the graph for force versus sleeve lift, and one more thing that will be available in the lab manual. Thank you. Okay, so as I told, this is a universal governor setup. We can remove the spring, and if I attach like this will become Proel governor. Similarly, this attachment for, this is called Porter governor. Porter governor will be having a mass at the center, and Proel governor will be having an extended arm. In the same attachment, we have two different attachments. So using these attachments, we can remove this bell crank lever and spring, and we can attach to form a Proel governor. The experimental procedures are exactly same as that what we have did in Hartnell governor. Only the calculation varies according to Proel governor, Porter governor, and Hartnell governor. Calculation really varies. Experimental procedure remains same. Thank you.